first date, I think.
Yo. Yeah, i-celebrity crush yami bra, nomntana ekuthiwa uZinci imali, yambona mntana bra. Yo, xa kunothiwa ndiyamkhupha ke yabo, ndamkhupha ezomasaja, ndicela uba amasajwe ndim bra yabo. Bendim ozompotapotoza phaa bra, yabona sawe bra. Noba ndingafumani inamba xa noyibona le video, ndimxelele uba uGetho ndoda iyakhala ngaye.
My celebrity crush is Chris Brown. So I'll seduce him to win him over. I'll lure him in. Or I'll do anything gay. I'll smile to anything he says. Yeah, I'll do anything.
I don't have a celebrity crush, but for my ideal woman, for a first date, I think a picnic. I would go on a picnic, flowers. I would like to say I'm a romantic, so yeah, a picnic, flowers, some wine, sweets, something sweet for my special someone, yeah, something like that.
My celebrity crush is Thando Thabethe. You know Thandi Thabethe? Yeah, it's mine. I like her so much. So if it happens that I get a chance to go to a date with her, I'll probably do her so many things, bruh. So many things to win her. So one of them might say, come on, pile the flower, pile the snake, then we'll take it from there. Yeah, but it's not gonna finish there.
I'm a chicken. I was just kamumpela bana. Yo, ay. Top one, Tantoana. Ngayena. Yo. Aga becha gayena lontwana. Yo.
So what can you go out on?
Hey, mono tshimke ke no tshwara zaka ke mo kopela o mo baila studio. Ke bele yena, bo record label e be ka yena.
Bona, yo khotmana ka tshela boithutulo mane. Ke boithutulo kai. Wabona, I'm gonna need to win lotho man khotmana ka. Timise go pleke ntse tsa bona ka go tseba pleke le tsa bona maybe mo Zanzibar nyana, Mauritius nyana, relaxing to the beach. Ya khotmana ngwanole.